Hello everyone, this is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. We have completed note making. If you have missed that video, then you can go back and check it out. It's revision time today, so my students are coming to give the presentation. So stay with us till then. Let's start.
Good afternoon to all present over here. I am Yashmin Mohan. Today our group present on the topic note making. Firstly, the question rises in my mind, what is a note making?
Note making is a short piece of writing which contains the main point of passage.
Yes, it is a short definition of note making. But in real, the note making is the act of retaining the documentation from the various sources. By taking notes, an individual can store the data. Yes, it is a definition of note making. Secondly, the question rises in my mind, how to attempt a note or how to make a note making. There are 5 main simple steps. If you follow these steps, we make our note making perfect. Step number 1. First of all, make a box. Read the passage carefully. Try to get the theme and subject of the passage. You have to ask the question yourself what the passage is about. This will provide you the title of the passage. Step number 2. Read carefully. Identify the main ideas and important which help you to make the points.
Step number 3. Make the notes from important points under headings and add sub points under subheadings. Step number 4. Use proper format.
Last and final step. It is an important step. Use abbreviation whenever possible. Thank you.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow with another presentation.